If you are in USDA zones 9 through 11, our top 3 things are very different than the cold climate zone. Yes, we are still drinking hot tea. We are still drinking coffee and cocoa and mulled wine or mulled cider, but our things are a little bit different. So if you're in the warmer zones, thing number 1, get ready to plant another round of annual vegetables. Remember, winter is our gardening season. It's where it's at the peak in USDA zones 9 through 11. So right now, cold season crops, like I'm getting ready to do mizuna, arugula, another round of mustard greens, some radishes, all of those things I'm getting ready to do. I'm actually going to be helping my neighbors plant a garden here this next week, so it's going to be kind of fun. But all of those cold climate seeds can be direct sown in the ground right now. Even your snap peas and your snow peas, those are great to be direct sown right now. In the next week or 2, I'm going to start another round of the warmer season crops. I'm only going to be planting these in trays, putting them under grow lights or in a sunny window, and then I'll plant those in March. So I'm doing things like tomatoes, peppers, some of my herbs like basil and that sort of thing. But I'll wait for another week or 2, then I'll start another round of those in trays, and then those are going to go in the ground here the 1st of March. The second thing that I would be doing in the warmer climate zones right now is when we want to be fertilizing mangoes, which took a hit in Florida this year, avocados, and some of the early bloomers. So things like stone fruit, peach, pear, plum, nectarine, mulberries, olives, loquats, all of those earlier season bloomers, especially stone fruit, I'm fertilizing right now. And so I'm going to ease them into the fertilizing regimen this year because we had that really hard freeze. So I'm basically going to do a half dose this week and next week. And then the first week of March, I'm going to finish that dose. Now, on all of the other fruit trees and the tropical cherries and that sort of thing, I'm going to wait until first week of March, especially this year, to be able to fertilize those. But right now, mangoes, avocados, and those early season bloomers, especially your stone fruit, can be fertilized pretty much right now, mid-month. And end of month. The third thing is if you want to have blooms and flowers for Easter, plant them now. So plant your cosmos, your zinnia, your celosia, not celosia, it's celosia, zinnias, sunflowers, snapdragons, any of those annual flowers can be planted now. So that way you can have fresh cut blooms in your annual flower garden. Now, of course, you can be planting perennials, great time of year. I love dormant planting them. So even when you go to the greenhouse and they're not flowering, they don't look awesome, plant them now because then you'll get even bigger blooms in the next couple months when we start getting a little bit more rain. So those are the 3 things that I'd be doing in the warmer climate zones. It's planting another round of vegetables, fertilizing, now till the end of the month on the early season stuff, and then planting those annual flowers so you have great Easter blooms.